How to use Grammarly for essays. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you the steps on how you can use Grammarly for essays. Well, to use Grammarly for essays, you can create an account first at grammarly.com and log in. You can also install the Grammarly editor desktop app or the browser extension. As for now, I have extension and I'm on Grammarly editor as well. Now you can upload your essay to the web editor to use, or you can start writing your essay on the Grammarly here. You can upload or write it, then you can review it. You can see here the Grammarly proofreader. Here you can ask it to fix critical fixes, right? Similarly, you can use the paraphraser option and you can either set it your change your writing style to humanize it, to academic level, to professional level, streamlined, creative. For example, if I want to keep it creative, then this will change my sentence to creative. You can see I have written Pippin bought an umbrella when gone to the market with friends. Then it says while shopping for apples at the market with friends, Pippin decided to pick up an umbrella as well. That's creative, right? So you can use this way the Grammarly for writing your essays as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.